So I'm here in my garage, you know. That was a stupid joke. All right, so I recently purchased on Amazon Prime Day a great deal on an Ego leaf blower. So I was gonna make a video for you on what comes in this model's box. I believe I got the 650. We'll find out. CFMs, but it came with a 5 amp hour battery and leaf blower. So let's go open it up. I'm gonna set the camera and let's go unbox this Ego leaf blower. All right, here, let's go see what's inside. It came in this box here. A box in a box. So I guess it's nice, so then when it's left on the porch, no one knows exactly what's in your box. Okay, first impression, opening up here. Yeah, it was a 650. It's a much smaller box than I expected, but I guess it comes together, which is actually kind of good. I like that it can fit in a nice small box. Maybe we'll stow it that way. We'll see. It's a 650 CFM. It came with a 5 amp hour battery, and that's why it was weird. This one was like the same price as one that came with like a 2 amp hour battery. So I was like, oh, 2.5. So I'll go with this one. Now, open up the inside. What do we got here? Little nozzle attachment. Great. Big nozzle. A little release. Lets you know that it's 650 CFM. Right there. Pretty straightforward. Has a user manual stuff. Like I'm gonna read that, but I always keep it. Comes with the actual leaf blower here and whatnot. Yeah, pretty good. It has a little turbo button here, high intensity, like that. What else? Oh, I'm guessing this is the battery. Putting that up here. And yeah, it's a nice 5 amp hour battery. I already have a 5 amp hour battery that's like 4 years old with my chainsaw. So I might actually just leave this new in the box for a while. We'll see. But anyway, got that. And again with another charger, which is nice. So I have 2 chargers now, same charger as before. But I'll probably just use my other Ego battery just because it makes it easier. I don't know, I'll keep this one nice and safe and store it in the basement, and this charger and just kind of use that same battery till it goes. All right, so this is the unboxing. This is what it comes in. It's pretty straightforward, simple. So let me go charge my battery up and we'll go see it in use. All right, so battery is all charged, and it actually feels great when it's in there. You can see that here. Like it's perfectly balanced with the battery. Like it's a great angle. They also have this little attachment here if you have like a little strap, hold it on. But I'm gonna go try it out for the first time. I don't think I need to do anything to turn it on. I don't really have any leaves. I just got wood stuff in my yard, so let's see how it turns out. Oh man. Okay, so you press the trigger. I hadn't realized this. You press the trigger to turn it on, and then you have this little volume here. It's kind of hard to do while I'm recording. A little volume, like, not volume, level. So it's going to set it to high. And it's moving all my stuff out. That was wood. I'll put the wood back in here. All right, so let's turn it back on here. But yeah, so this turns it on. Oh, there we go. So you can either set it to automatic or just use a trigger. I'm just use a trigger here. That's what I needed. It's clearly, look at that power. Alright, that was pretty powerful. Let's go, it's not too loud either. Let's go clean out the garage. Let's see if I can get all this dust out of my garage. See what it's like. So, I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, that made light work. Let's go clean up my deck too while I'm at it. Don't step in any dog poop here, Sean. Well, so far, I'm pretty happy with it. We'll see when the fall comes and get the leaves. But if this can clean off the... I mean, it's more power than I need, but... Yeah, it's always nice to have a little more power. Alright, there's my deck. Makes it nice and easy. Let's just get this water off here. Alright, so either way, I'm pretty happy with this Ego leaf blower. I'll put a link in the description to the model I got. I don't know what the price will be because Amazon always changes the prices. Probably get it better maybe at Ace. But happy with this, and the link will be an affiliate link, so if you support this channel, and if you're Ego and you want to send me products to review, I'd be happy to. I'll probably have a video on full review of this later, but this is just the introduction opening of this Ego leaf blower. So anyway, this is Sean Gannon, future president of the United States, signing off.